Hi there, I'm Sammy Rowe. I'm the buying director here at QVC, and I'm just going to introduce you to some new brands that we're launching at the Feb Fashion event. So we have got the launch of some new Scandinavian brands. The first one here is Only. So Only is a great value denim-based brand that has some beautiful key pieces that are really on trend. So we've got beautiful denim jackets and some fab denim jeans across loads of different styles. And then we've also got JDY. So JDY is another great Scandinavian brand. It's really print driven and again a great day to night brand. And then we've also got Selected Femme. So Selected Femme is a really contemporary brand, very chic, and again will take you through day to night with some really key pieces for the season. In May this year, we are launching an exclusive collection of Helen Burman dresses, which she has created with Liberty print fabrics. So we have some incredible silhouettes, like this shirt dress here in this gorgeous cotton poplin, which has also got this matching jacket that goes with it. So it's absolutely beautiful, really dark-based print, but will really pop in the summer. There's a number of different lengths and silhouettes in the collection, like this beautiful poppy print that was an original print from 1959 from Liberty. It's got a beautiful cap sleeve and this really pretty pale pink poppy as well. We've got a number of different colours that you can't see here today, but are represented here with these yellows, these pale pinks, and again, more silhouettes. So it's such an exciting collection. So tune in May to make sure that you get yours because it is limited this year. So for this spring, we have the launch of our talent brand spring summer ranges, and we have got some really exciting newness through these talent brands. So for example, we've got this beautiful Ben DeLisi cotton blouse in this fab print alongside his new cropped denim jean, which is a great style for this season. We've also got a number of blazers and key striped shirts. You'll have seen these everywhere, so really key for 2024. In Danny, you'll see some incredible prints this season. This is a great example here in this cotton poplin dress with this beautiful peplum hem. That pairs back really nicely with one of her new denim jacket shapes, which we're really excited about. Beautiful crop silhouette. Works perfectly with dresses, but also some wide leg trousers, which are another key staple for the season. And then on Ruth, we have some fabulous new prints. We have this really gorgeous blouse that's in a really soft viscose, which drapes really beautifully over the body. We've got a number of different colourways in this, such as this really poppy pink, which will be perfect for spring this year. Sits back really well with your denims, your whites, as well as your blue washes. And we do have a fabulous suit coming from Ruth this season, which is the wide leg. So this comes in regular, petite and tall, and also comes with a beautiful double-breasted blazer, which is a key piece this season. So look out for that this spring.